Hello guys, you're welcome back. Today we are going to look at puzzle 12, which says how to create multi-chaser screen game. So we're still on the topic multi-screen apps. So I want you to log into studio.code.org with your username and your password. That is your email address and your password. For those of you that I gave email address and password, you can go through this template. When you see your name, you pause the video, then you copy out your email address and your password, then you log in to studio.code.org. So go through the template. When you see your name on the template, you copy your username and your password, then you log into studio.code.org. Let's get started. So today we are going to look at puzzle 13, that is multi-screen apps, how to create what multi-screen chaser game. Previously we stopped at puzzle 11. Okay, this is puzzle 11, whereby we created what codes for switching screens using set screen. Alright, and we wrote these codes, so we'll check on the codes again to see if they are still working. So when you click run, click on the smiley face, it takes you to this screen, you go back, takes you to the hello screen again. So it's still in working condition. You finish it up, then you continue. So it takes you to puzzle 12, that is making a multi-screen chaser game. So this is the type of game that you are going to create. Okay, you will create 3 screens. One is the welcome screen, the second one is the game screen, and the third one is the goodbye screen. Okay, so let's start. So the instruction here says add a welcome screen. Let's improve your chaser game by adding a welcome screen that shows when the app starts up, and that with a button to start. So here they want us to replicate this. They want us to produce this screen, the welcome screen, okay, with these elements. Note, we've imported the chaser game that we made in the last lesson. Okay, follow the event-driven programming pattern, the design mode. So this is the pattern that we are going to follow so as to do what? So as to produce this screen. So the first thing we need to do is to do what? To add a new screen to the app. You go to the design mode, you create the pull down, you add new screen. Okay, so this is your new what? Screen. Now you change the ID of the screen to welcome screen. Welcome screen. Okay, that is it. Welcome screen, welcome screen. The second one is to make this new screen your default screen. So you scroll down to this page and make it default. You click default. Okay, the next one, add a new button to the screen that says start playing. You drag the button over here, you expand it, that is, you resize it, then you type the text start playing. Okay, now you increase the font size of the text. Okay, so this is good, 28. So the next is the welcome. So this is a label. You drag your label over to this place. Okay, you resize, then you type welcome. You type welcome. Welcome. Now you increase the font size of your test. The font size of your test, you increase it. Welcome. 34, 35, 42. Okay, I have 42. I think it's okay for me. 42. Okay, so the next is a task. Your task is to do what? Try to catch the banana. It's also a label. Put it over here. Okay, your size. Your size. So you change the test. Your task. Your task. Try to catch the banana. Try to catch the banana. Then you increase the font size of the test. Increase the font size of the test. Okay, try to catch the banana. Okay, now this is good. You are good to go. Now the next one is the image. The next one is the image. So you go over here, you open a new tab, you search for the image of a banana. Banana. You go to images. Okay, you go to tools and reduce the size to medium. Then the color. Okay, yeah, we can use any of them. We don't need the color for now. Okay, so you select any image of the banana. Select any image of the banana. Okay, let me save this. You click save as. Save as banana crop. Okay, save as banana crop. So you go over here, you drag the image into this space. Image. Okay, you click on the image, go to choose image, choose, you upload file, then you search for it on the desktop. Banana crop over there. Okay, that's the banana crop you choose. Okay, that's the banana crop. So here we have 3 images, so I'm gonna add 3 images. This is the second one. Okay, and another one also here, the third one. Okay, so the second image, I add the same banana you choose. The third image, I add the same banana. You choose the same banana. Okay, so there it is. So the next one is what? Easier said than done. You take the label over there. Easier said than done. You resize it. You resize. You resize. So you write the test. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. Okay, you increase the font size of the test so that it will be clear. Easier said than done. Okay, good. Now we're finished with this page. Okay, they look exactly the same. So the next thing to do, number 2, add an on-event handler for the button. Insert a new on-event block for the start button. So this is the button. Okay, over here the workspace is empty. Okay, so you come over here, you click on this button. When you click on the start playing button, you go to events. Okay, you go to events. Now the ID of the button is button 1, so we can change the ID of the button to start button. Button 1, you change it to start button. Okay, you go over here, you click insert code. Have you seen it? So you click start button, add code to the event handling function. When the start button is clicked, it should set screen to the screen that plays the game. Alright, make sure the app starts up. Your new welcome screen shows first. When you click start button, it takes you to the game play screen. Okay, note, right now there is no way to go back to the welcome screen. Okay, so we're going to stop here, then set screen. Let's snap this, set screen. So when you click the start button, it sets screen to screen 1. You run it, you click this, the ID parameter, set screen. Now let's use this. Okay, so we'll click finish. So it will take us to puzzle 14. Add a full screen image to act as background to game. So this time we are going to create a game screen. The first one we created was the welcome screen, so this time we are going to create the game screen. Alright, we want to be able to detect when the user misses clicking on the target. Since we know the screen itself registers every click no matter what, the only way to determine that the user missed the target is to add an image that takes up the full screen. In other words, we are trying to determine which of the two images was clicked, the target or the background. This is the target, this is the background. So what are we to do? When the target is clicked, it jumps to a new location. That is, when you click on this banana, it jumps to new locations. Okay, when the background image is clicked, we will switch to a new screen. When you mistakenly click on this background image, it will take you to a new screen, possibly the goodbye screen. Follow the event-driven pattern. Design mode, add a new image to the game. Okay, and stretch it to fill the whole screen. Change the layering order so that the target image is in front of the full screen image. Okay, add event handler for the screen image with a simple console message. Okay, so now what we need to do is to create another screen. That is screen number 2. Create another screen. You go to design mode. Okay, we make new screen. Now this screen, we call it the game screen. Game screen. Okay, now the background of this game screen is the full background of the banana. So you go to banana search, okay, and download this type of banana. We have this, it's still there. You click on this banana, You save it, save as. I use banana bunch. Banana bunch. Okay, so you go back and add the image of the banana. Add the image of the banana. Upload file. Search for banana bunch over there. You open it. You choose. There is the image of the banana. Then you click on this image, okay, so that we fit it to the screen. You want to fit it to the screen. Fit image contain cover, fill, cover. That is, it's going to cover the screen, okay. So you move it. Then you expand. You expand it. Okay, there it is. So this is the background. This image, we call it a background image. So let's change the ID of this. The ID, we call it a background. Background image. Background image. Okay. So what is the next thing? The next thing is to import this image of this banana. Okay. But now we're not going to use this. We're not going to use the first banana. We're going to use the one that is transparent. Okay. So you go over to your search button. Okay. Yeah, you search for it. You go to color. You select transparent. So we want to use a transparent banana. Which one do we choose? We can choose any one. We choose this. Okay, we save image as transparent banana. You save it. So you go over here, you drag this and put it over here. Then you add the image of your transparent banana. Upload file. Upload file, where is it? Transparent banana. Transparent banana. Yeah, I'm searching for it. I think I made a mistake. I didn't save it on the desktop, so I couldn't find it here. Downloads this PC. Okay, let's save it again. Save images. Desktop. Wow. Okay. Let's use another banana. It's saving as a web page. Let's use another banana. Save image as screen. Let's save this and check this out. Banana clone. Upload file. Okay, that is it. Banana clone. Okay, you choose. So there is the image of the banana. Okay, so we can call this banana image 5. You change the ID of this image to banana. Change the ID to banana. Okay, so almost ready. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to code this so that it will start working. Alright, so you click on this background, click on the background, you go to event, you add the code, okay. So we have a click start button. It takes you to the welcome screen. So let's go back to the welcome screen. This is the welcome screen. Click start button. It's going to take you to the game screen. Alright, so when you click the background image, we have background image clicked. This is the console.log word statement, because it says that we're going to have this kind of thing. Banana clicked, background image clicked. Now something is missing. What is missing is what? This. In the game screen, this particular image of a banana, because when you click on this banana, it's supposed to be jumping all over the screen, moving from one part of the screen to another. So you code this banana. Okay, you add the code, that is, you add the event handler for this banana. So you click insert code, so there we go. So when you click on banana clicked. Okay, now we have to add what we call set position, because set position allows your banana to move in arbitrary position all over the screen. So when you click on the banana clicked, you select the ID of the banana is what? Banana. So you set your random number. Come over here, you bring the random numbers into the X and Y set position. This is for X, this is for Y. Okay, so using the screen dimension, we use a 10 140 for X and 10 380 for Y. Okay, so this place, when you click on the background image, when you mistakenly click on the background image, is going to take you back to the hello screen. So let's use the hello screen. You set your screen to the hello screen. Okay, you select the hello screen, that is the welcome screen. Okay, now let's run this code and see what we have here. We click run. Okay, this is the default screen. So start playing, you click start playing, it takes you to the game screen. Okay, click on the banana. Have you seen it? Console log banana clicked. Now it's moving all over the screen. You click on it, it's moving. Click on it, it's moving. Click on it, it's moving. Okay, click on it, it's moving. Now when you click on the background, it takes you back to the welcome screen, and you have background image clicked. So guys, we'll call it a day here. Next lesson we'll finish it up. That is lesson 15. Okay, next lesson we'll finish it up. So have a nice day, enjoy yourselves, and stay safe. Thank you.